Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Quick Start Guide with the Easymake Web Builder Training. In this training, we're going to walk through how to build your website. By now, what should have happened is that you have created your account and now you have your main dashboard. Your domain name is connected, it is pointing over to the name servers, and now you have the ability to build your website. So let's get started in building our website. So from our main dashboard in our client area, we're going to navigate over to the left-hand panel and we're going to see where it says build a website. What we're going to do is click on build a website with the arrow that is pointing next to it, that is pointing to the left, to the right actually, to the right. So we're going to select that. And then we're going to go in and choose the website. It should be the domain name that you've selected. Now we're going to select continue. We're going to wait for it to propagate, and then we're going to put in our email account. So we're going to put in our email address. So I'm going to put in here one of my email accounts. Let's try this one. And then I'm going to hit continue. And now it's going to install the web builder. Once you come to the web builder, the first thing you're going to do is choose a design. It does not matter what design you choose because you can always customize it. However, if there's a particular design that you want to use, you can select through the categories and find one that best meets your industry. So I'm just going to choose a neutral theme here and I'm going to hit install. And then I'm going to put in here the email address that I want associated with my website. So I'm going to put here contact@mybusiness.com. And then I'm going to choose my website name. I'm going to go my website. Then of course this is going to be the name of your company. And then we're going to simply select continue. Then we're going to put in all our pertinent information. If you don't want to put in your address, you can simply skip through this and simply hit continue. Once you hit continue, it's going to begin to configure your website. And inside your website, you begin to build your website out. You're going to come with a help guide, and the help guide is going to walk you through a tour in which to build your website. So this has been part 2 of the Quick Start Guide with Easymake Web Builder.